वेल सितंबर खत्म हो चुका है और इसी के साथ साल का थर्ड क्वार्टर भी। पिछले 3 महीनों में करीब 19 फिल्म्स रिलीज हुई हैं, जिसमें से कुछ ने तो बॉक्स मचाई धूम, while many were doomed. So how has this quarter been? To discuss this, we have with us Shailendra Singh from Percept. Always a pleasure to have you here. Welcome again.
Likewise.
And this time it's going to be a different question.
Sure.
What went right for this quarter? It was fabulous. We had some great hits there.
I think
with
we discussed it the last time. You know, I think the promise of youth. Remember, we discussed the fact that I think the young directors are going to come to the foray.
Where do you think the old directors are going? Because what about the experienced directors who haven't really been able to deliver as much?
अगर आप देखें तो 90% लोग जो फिल्में बनाते हैं वो लिखने के वक्त ही उस फिल्म को बेच देते हैं। तो I don't think there is enough belief of the creative community in their own product. अगर होता तो करण जौहर अपनी फिल्में बनाने से पहले ही नहीं बेच देते। यशराज भी जिस मॉडल में घुस चुके हैं, यशराज was a very expensive a la carte boutique. That is also converted into a mall model, and therefore I am sure that Aditya Chopra is not able to keep a track on the creativity of the products that he's offering. So I say somewhere down the line the focus will have to be content and consumer. जहाँ पे भी ये combination पे आप focus करेंगे आपको success मिलेगी.
And what do you think went wrong with films like Lamha and Lafange Parinde?
I just don't think they were good films. Casting was an issue for me. I mean, I'm no authority in Bollywood, but I mean, Nitin Mukesh in a slum just didn't fit in, you know, with that whole vibe. He's a South Bombay boy. He's too clean, too nice. A and B, the climax, if you saw, they used technology, but they made a mistake, you know. The audience caught on that he wasn't on the skates. There were visible shots of a Spanish guy skating. Now, that's not going to be on, you know, because you've waited 2 hours for a climax that you expect your hero to perform, and boom, you see a guy who's not, he's a European guy skating.
Lamha के बारे में क्या कहना है आपका?
मुझे लगता है कि Lamha is neither a realistic film, neither is it a docudrama, and it also does not have the entertainment quotient that you would like. So I don't think it belonged in any space.
Coming back to We Are Family, उसमें आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये बात थी कि because it wasn't a strong male lead or there weren't many, there was just it was a women-centric film at the end of it.
There have been women-centric film in the past. I think the pressure came on the film because I think the producers hyped up the aspect कि ये film पहली official remake है और ये stepmom की remake है. I think the pressure came, and at least the sort of the urban community, you know, most of us have seen Stepmom, you know. I think they lost the urban community for sure because, you know, anybody who's seen Stepmom would not believe that We Are Family is an authentic, great remake. Compliments to Karan Johar and his team, because I think picking up different subjects is very important in Bollywood. You know, you just can't be, you know, you can't believe in Sajid Khan's statement that you must only make nonsensical comedies because that's what the consumer wants. But that's not the way that Bollywood will ever get respect nationally and internationally. मुझे पता नहीं कि कितने पैसे में वो फिल्म बनी थी, बट मेरे हिसाब से इस किस्म की फिल्म 7-8 करोड़ में बननी चाहिए. अगर बनी होगी तो जरूर सक्सेसफुल होगी. I mean, कैसे नहीं? उसकी सैटेलाइट ही करीब 10 करोड़ के बिके हैं.
Q4 के बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
I think we've got a great lineup, great mixed bag product offering, and I'm very optimistic.
Well, good luck to the fourth quarter then.
I'll see you in the new year. Super.
Till then, thank you.